Adventures in the Land of Harmonia is a role-playing game that takes place in the land of Harmonia. Harmonia is a peaceful land where all the musical instruments live. An evil, dissonant empire is threatened to destroy Harmonia, and only its music can save it. Each player will choose an identity of a musical instrument and assume the characteristics of the persona and styles of that instrument. Students will draw pictures of their character to display a lifelike musical instrument with arms and legs and a face. They will draw where they live, what kind of house or case that they live in, what culture or genre they are from, and will describe the way that they interact with the other instrument characters in the land of Harmonia. The characters speak the language of music. They communicate in notes and rhythms. Conversations between instruments are duets, trios, quartets, or large assemblies or concerts of bands and orchestras. Students will choose a piece of music to perform a small skit to, in which their characters act out a story within the piece of music. The 5 required elements within the game. The target audience, first of all, is 5th and 6th grade general music students. And what we're trying to teach are the concepts of musical terminology, team building, intonation, harmony, and melodic identification. Why the target audience would be interested in where's the fun. The students can use their musical knowledge to play the game and learn musical concepts. The game will take approximately 3 20-minute sessions. The first session is drawing artistic renderings of the characters and writing their musical biographies. The second session, the students choose musical selections and write a story as a group to interpret the music that they're going to be performing to. And session 3 is the performance of the musical story. What will we do to exceed expectations? We'll create great music, inspire creative students, and have a whole lot of fun while doing it. Key game elements will include the students choosing the instruments that they would like to become. Different obstacles and challenges the roles will face. The students will be able to describe instruments' characteristics and create a visual drawing to portray them. What tools can the players use to solve and overcome problems? They can work together in harmony to create concerts with different groups of instruments. The limitations of the game and how we'll overcome them. The students may be limited by the musical selections they will interpret. They may need to find or create new music that they can use for their performances. The background story of the adventure is an evil, dissonant empire threatens a peaceful land of Harmonia. The only way for the instruments of Harmonia to fight off the dissonant forces is to band together and make music that will transform the evil dissonance into harmonic overtones that will vanish like sound waves. The adventure takes place in the peaceful land of Harmonia, where music is free of copywriters and downloaders. How fun is this? The students can choose their favorite genre of music to play with their stories to help save Harmonia from falling into dissonance. Why would learners want to play this game? It's fun, of course. And what would be the most exciting part of the game? The final concert where everybody gets to perform their music.